Did you know a man facing execution wrote one of history's most powerful books about happiness? Boethius had everything. Wealth, power, respect as a top Roman leader. Then false accusations destroyed it all. Thrown in prison, sentenced to death, the most would break. Instead, Boethius did something extraordinary. He imagined conversations with Lady Philosophy. She taught him a truth that changed everything. Real happiness doesn't come from what you own. It comes from who you are. She showed him fortune's wheel. What goes up always comes down. So clinging to success guarantees pain. While waiting for torture and death, he found something no one could steal: inner peace. His book became medieval Europe's guide to wisdom. Kings and farmers both learned from it. The man who lost everything found what truly mattered. His final insight will change how you see problems. You can't control what happens to you, but you can always control what it means to you. Boethius proved that your worst moment can become your greatest teacher. The prison became his classroom. Death became his freedom.